welcome out with a Finn. For the next 3 days we are exploring the Finnish Lapland with our DIY micro camper van. We will hike through amazing views, go fishing, drive past many reindeer, cook food in stunning places and do what we Finns love to do. So come along to this road trip in beautiful Finnish weather, relax and enjoy. Welcome to Ruka. This trip started well. Mitä sä teit?
Niin tästä näin ja sitten se lähti irti.
Miten se lähti tolleen?
Lähti aika helposti lähti.
No niin lähti.
Vettä.
Now would you look at that? Mine is corn, not wheat, so this is very fragile. And oh, look at the views. The second one is always better. That's done. Okay, let's just quickly go visit this peak because we have one way cooler place we want to go to. We can already see the Arctic hill we are taking you. We have visited this place once earlier and the views are just so amazing. This hill is approximately 450 meters above sea level and we are currently maybe halfway there. So we have a sweaty hike ahead of us. We are both switching to these brand new Vaistoa barefoot shoes that are water resistant. Kipukauppa sent these to us. We have not tested these yet that much. We have only walked like few kilometers with this. So stay tuned in the video. We are going to review these later. But if you are already interested in these, I have a discount code in the description. Hopefully we don't get any blisters because wearing new shoes on a hike is never a good idea. Oh, wow, and now comes the good part. I mean, the views here are just so spectacular. It is like looking at a painting. It is unreal almost. I mean, already after that trip I can just tell that these shoes felt very nice. They feel like a proper hiking shoe. It is so nice with this boot that there is a little bit of ankle support for those rocky roads, but it's still a barefoot shoe. And it is breathable, but still water resistant. I'm going to use these a lot during this summer. So if you want to get this brand new Vaistor hiking shoe, go to kipukauppa.com and use the code OUTWITHTHEFIN -15 to get 15% off from your purchase. We still need to decide where we're going to spend the night because we have not looked at any locations. Oh wow. I mean, this place is just perfect. This is a lovely place to stay for the night. Oh yeah. She's going to sleep there, but I can't resist the weather here. I got a few new kuusamonuistin baits that I want to try. I think I'm going to start with these 3. They are meant for perch. So one thing I already can say about this small one is that I can throw this really far away. I mean, look at this. I mainly fish from the coast, so that means that I can fish a lot further away. Got this stuck very badly. Usually when you get your lure stuck like this, it really helps that you just tighten up your reel and pull from the string and release. It will work as a bow and it will bounce the string a bit and bounce the lure. But right now I think that's stuck on grass or something in the bottom of the lake. So there is no other option than just to pull it. I think it's moving. Is it a log or something? Oh, yeah. I mean, look what I caught. No wonder my technique didn't work. This was an interesting catch. But I think I'm going to crawl to bed, so see you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. It's going to be a beautiful day. That's done.
Onko se vähän hukassa?
We are going for a 10-kilometer hike now in the Salla National Park. This has been one of the most boring national park trails that we have walked. There go so many trails here, so I think we just chose the wrong one. I think I can get the fire started with this. We have an issue because The handle there gets very hot. I tried to use the towel we have, but of course it's polyester, so it just melted there. I will try with my shirt. So I have here mashed potatoes, beef, tomato sauce and beans. This is really good. She's jealous because she has those pre-made mixes and I have homemade food. Mine is way better. That's done. Well, that was a lovely lunch break. Just a big group of locals came there with their e-bikes and they told us that we actually took the wrong path. There would have been a so much cooler trail right there and it was marked as a winter trail, so we didn't go there. There are some reindeer tracks here. Ran out of water there. So I must say that that was one of the most boring national park walks that I've ever done, but we chose the wrong trail. I can't remember this by name, but this one is the trail you should avoid, and these two, even in summer, are great trails in the Salla National Park. The locals told us. Well, at least we walked it so that you don't need to. This here is Kemijärvi. We wanted to make dinner here, but look how many mosquitoes there are. Oh wow, what a place we found. We're going to make dinner here.
No, niin näkö.
One good thing about drinking non-alcoholic beer is that if we don't stay for the night in this place, I can still drive. This is a hybrid of quesadilla and pizza. That's done. Now is a perfect time to show you the few upgrades I made to the van. And the first one is this mosquito net. This is not a permanent solution. I have just I just put it up there between the seal and here we have some magnets and the rest we just tucked underneath the bed. But Kerttu is not happy about our new mesh. She cannot watch our cookings that easily. Then I completely removed the cover that was on this cupboard and replaced it with this kind of bungee strings so that we can pack it fuller, but also it is easier to access these and the stuff will actually stay on place better. And down here I added this tray that goes next to the charger so that I can have my batteries charging here and also some other stuff as well, and they can stay there when we drive and they will not fly everywhere. Well, that was a lovely place, but we decided to continue our way. There was some guy with a motorcycle that came there and there was no toilet, no firewood, so we're just going to continue our way. Oh, that road was quite extreme. We don't have much of an off-roader. Our car did a good job. Oh wow, look at this place. There's a fireplace, there's firewood, and there's even a toilet. This place is incredible. I'll try this one if there are any pikes in this lake. No perch. No fish this time. Tried there for a while, but no success. It's raining. I still decided to go for a little swim, but I didn't bring any towel with me. I only have this Kerttus paw towel. There are so many rocks there, not so good place to go. I'll go check if this is better. It's quite cold. Ooh, that was refreshing. It's not long when the ice melted here this north in Finland. We're having supper inside the van because there are quite a lot of mosquitoes out there and it's raining. We're just soon going to sleep, so see you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. It's raining outside. Look, there's somebody fishing. Now would you look at that? I've realized during this trip that when I started making these videos I was more focused on the outdoor activities itself and the filming came with that. But now it has kind of turned around and I'm now focusing more on filming and getting these clips to you than actually enjoying the outdoors myself. One big reason behind that is this camera. Because I currently film with this different camera to give you a better quality, but it needs all this setting up and it needs a lot of work before I can get the shots. So I can't just press a button with my action camera and film at an instant. And also I'm like creating this situation where I like, ooh, that could be a really good spot, that could be a really good scenery, I'm gonna put this camera here and there, and I didn't do that in the beginning. So I think for a while I'm going to switch back to the action camera. So sad to inform you that you will get a bit worse video quality. I enjoy the quality of this camera a lot more. But just to get back this enjoyment of being outdoors, and also it enables me to spend a lot more time with my spouse during these adventures. So I'm going to switch back to that camera for a while. I've already filmed a few videos with this camera and I'm going to continue filming with this camera, but I'm going to just switch back to my action camera for a while and try it out for a few videos and so forth, if it makes a difference. If it's the camera or if it's me who is just like focusing on getting those really great shots for you. I want this to be me enjoying outdoors and just filming it to you instead of me going outdoors to film it to you, if you understand. That's done. It was a lovely trip and I must say that those hiking shoes really did their job. I enjoyed those a lot and the fact that they are water resistant help a lot on those trails. So check them out in the description if you are interested. Remember to like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming videos. But otherwise, thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure.